Today we will be discussing Privilege Guard. Privilege Guard is a program for installing and uninstalling programs on your university library's machine. Privilege Guard gives faculty and staff the ability to install programs without having admin privileges on your PC machine. Note, Macintosh computers do not use Privilege Guard, and Privilege Guard is also not on university lab machines. So how does Privilege Guard work? First, you will need to download the software installer to your machine. Be sure to save it to somewhere you can easily locate it, such as your desktop or downloads folder. Do not select Run, as this will not use Privilege Guard and will ask for your admin credentials to your machine. Once you've located your installer, right-click on the saved file and select Run with Privilege Guard Audited. You will then be prompted to enter a reason for why you're installing software. This is simply to make the user aware that you're installing software. Once that's done, you're ready to install like normal. Let's do a real example on this library machine. I'm going to download Skype and install it with Privilege Guard. I'm currently on the Skype downloads page. I will download the file to my machine, in this case, to my Downloads folder. You will notice that Skype provides its own download setup instructions. Again, you cannot double-click on the file and install any program on a university library's machine. You will need to use Privilege Guard. I will now navigate to my Downloads folder and right-click on the saved file. And select Run with Privilege Guard Audited. Next, enter a reason in the following window and select OK. You can then follow the on-screen instructions as you normally would when installing a program on your Windows machine. You will notice many software packages will try to install other programs on your machine or change things like your default search engine. Always make sure to uncheck these windows when running through the install instructions. Skype will now install on my machine. It's important to note, if you want to install a program from a CD or DVD, you will need to use Privilege Guard as well. To do this, insert a CD or DVD into your computer. Open the CD/DV drive in Windows Explorer by selecting it under My Computer. You will want to find the setup.exe file in the directory and right-click on it. Select Run with Privilege Guard Audited and enter the reason and click OK. Then follow the normal installation instructions. Finally, to uninstall any programs on your university library's machine, you will also need to use Privilege Guard. To do this, go to your Start menu and click on Privilege Guard Utilities and select Remove Programs. The Iveco Programs and Features Manager window will now appear. From here, you can choose the name of the program you wish to uninstall, choose the program you want to delete, and choose Uninstall from the top menu.